Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to more Rich Cuisine. Today I'm sharing drink recipe for Ramadan. I am making pineapple lemonade. And not only for Ramadan, barbecue season is upon us too. It's great for any picnic, potluck or any outdoor party. So let's go and make it happen. So let's start our recipe. Bismillah. We need very few ingredients. Today I'm using Country Time lemonade mix. You can use any other brand as well. Pineapple juice. I'll be using whole can. A Sprite or 7 Up, any lemon lime soda and water. So in a pitcher I'm adding lemonade mix with some water, and then I'll be adding pineapple juice, and then just start mixing until everything is mixed through. You can add some lemon slices or pineapple chunks right now, and then put this pitcher in the fridge to let it cool down completely. Right before serving, just bring it out and add the soda, and that's it. Just transfer it into a serving cup, add some sliced lemon or pineapple chunks and a lot of ice, and serve it chill. It's great for big gathering as well. Last summer I served it for Ishal Zamin. I served this drink to a lot of iftar parties as well. Just make the drink ahead, and right before serving, just top it off with the club soda and you will be good to go. And I am participating in a collab over Instagram happening about Ramadan drink, and I am submitting this recipe for that collab. So just go and check out that Instagram post as well. And if you're trying this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. Don't forget to share with the hashtag Ramadan with Borvish. And once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.